I attended a fantastic event where I got to know about my faculty, got to know about the alumni, and I met a lot of people and interacted with my fellow mates. So it was a very fantastic event.
It was such a great experience over here.
I am happy to attend today's event, and it's a grateful feeling for me. Being a part of this event, I found it a great event.
We got to learn from the industrial experts regarding the real world scenarios, and I am feeling very fortunate enough to be a part of this Amity University online and for today's event as well.
It was really a very insightful and knowledgeable sessions I went through, and also I came to know some few persons here, so that's really wonderful.
I'm doing great. It was an astonishing experience over here today.
Excited. Amazing. Great.
Fantastic.